Now this video is specially made for car owner, as in this video I have listed top 5 best dog seat belt in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom fit seat belt after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of seat cover. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the best seat belt for dogs. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with car so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Active Pets Dog Car Harness is an excellent choice for ensuring your dog's safety during car rides. Designed for both small and large dogs, this versatile seatbelt easily attaches to most vehicle seatbelts, keeping your pet secure while allowing for freedom of movement. The durable, high-quality material provides strength and reliability, preventing sudden jerks or falls. It's adjustable, making it a great fit for any dog size, and the simple design makes installation a breeze. With its sleek black color and sturdy construction, this seatbelt offers a great balance of safety, comfort, and ease of use, ideal for traveling. Number 2. The Active Pets Dog Seatbelt is a highly reliable and durable option for ensuring your pet's safety while traveling. Suitable for small, medium, and large dogs, this adjustable seatbelt provides flexibility in fitting various sizes and breeds. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the strong clip easily attaches to your car's seatbelt system, keeping your dog securely in place. The adjustable length offers comfort and mobility, allowing your dog some movement without compromising safety. It's simple to use and install, making it a practical choice for daily travel or long road trips. A great investment for pet owners prioritizing safety and comfort. Number 3. The LIOOPET 3-in-1 multifunctional dog seat belt is an outstanding option for pet owners looking for versatility and advanced safety features. Designed to secure 1 or 2 dogs, it offers strong, adjustable straps that fit any car seatbelt system, ensuring your pets remain safe and comfortable during travel. The durable construction provides excellent protection, while the tangle-free design allows freedom of movement without compromising safety. Installation is simple, and the leash can double as a walking harness, making it convenient for quick stops. This multifunctional seatbelt is a must-have for pet owners who value both safety and ease of use. Number 4. The Kuyu Dog Seat Belt. 3-piece set offers a practical and reliable solution for keeping your dog safe during car rides. Made from durable nylon, these retractable, adjustable seat belts fit dogs of all sizes, providing comfort and security. The heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting use, while the elastic buffer effectively absorbs shock during sudden stops, protecting your pet from injury. Installation is simple and compatible with most vehicles. The adjustable length allows your dog some mobility without compromising safety. This 3-piece set is great for multi-pet households, offering excellent value, durability, and peace of mind on the road. Number 5. The Mighty Paw Dog Car. Safety Belt is a top-notch seat belt that prioritizes your dog's safety during car rides. Built with high-quality materials, this sturdy restraint system attaches easily to your car's seat belt, keeping your pet secure while allowing for comfortable movement. The adjustable length ensures a perfect fit for dogs of all sizes, providing flexibility without compromising protection. It's easy to use, durable, and designed to prevent tangling. Whether for short trips or long journeys, the Mighty Paw seatbelt offers reliable security and peace of mind, making it an essential car accessory for any pet owner focused on safety. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that's it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Large Dog Car Seat. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.